Congratulations on the purchase of the Usha Food Processor 3811. This video will help you know your product better. We will cover all the functions and the accessories that come along with the product. This will help you in your day-to-day cooking needs. The Usha Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can quickly and easily chop, slice, shred, grind and puree. It can also assist the home cook in making citrus and vegetable juices, whisking eggs, dough kneading and much more. The base of the food processor houses a 1000-watt motor, which will efficiently help you to perform a variety of tasks with utmost ease. The food processor comes with 2 speed controls and a pulse function. This food processor has a 2-year warranty and a 5-year warranty on the motor. This food processor comes with an innovative storage drawer wherein the disc blades can be neatly stored under the motor body. Now let's look at the various accessories that come with the product and how to assemble them. The processing bowl is a 3.5-litre transparent jar which sits onto the motor body. Place the bowl onto the machine and lock it in position. The spindle sits inside the processing bowl. This food processor comes with 2 stainless steel reversible blades. Blade 1 is for thick and thin slicing. Blade 2 for coarse and fine shredding. One side of the blade is used for coarse shredding or slicing, while the other side is used for fine shredding or slicing. The Usha food processor also comes with a grating blade. To assemble the blade, place the blade holder on top of the spindle. Place the desired blade on the blade holder. Close the lid of the bowl as shown in the video. Match the arrows to lock it in place. Use the pusher to push your ingredients through the feeder tube. This food processor comes with the chopping and kneading blade. To assemble them, simply place them onto the spindle as shown in the video, and you are ready to go. You can use the kneading blade for a variety of purposes, from kneading atta to creating dough for your bread and pastries. With the help of the egg whisker attachment, you can easily whisk batches of eggs or whipped cream for your desserts. Simply place the attachment onto the spindle as shown. Did you know that your food processor can also multitask as a juicer? For extracting juice of citrus fruits like sweet lime and oranges, simply assemble the citrus juicing attachment on top of the spindle. This food processor comes with a dedicated juicing attachment. Place the juicer bowl onto the main unit. This bowl is equipped with an anti-drip spout. Place the stainless steel mesh into the bowl by matching the grooves as shown in the video. For locking, align the grooves on the bowl and the lid. Insert the pusher into the feeder tube and get ready to juice. The Usha food processor comes with 3 jars, which will fulfill all your blending, mixing and grinding needs. The transparent 1.8-litre blending jar is ideal for making smoothies, shakes and juices. The multi-purpose jar can be used for wet or dry grinding. The small chutney jar is perfect for making masalas, chutneys and powders. To use any of the jars, simply place it onto the motor body and use the guiding arrows to lock it in position as shown in the video. Now that you are well versed with the accessories and the various assembly processes, it is time to get hands-on with the Usha food processor to help you use it in your daily life. To cut thick slices of vegetables like cucumbers, place the slicing blade with the thick side facing upwards. Insert the cucumber into the feeding tube and push it using the pusher. To cut thin slices of vegetables like carrots, use the other side of the blade. For finer shredding of vegetables, place the shredding blade with the thin side facing upwards. Insert the carrot into the feeding tube and push it using the pusher. For coarse shredding, reverse the blade. You can use this for vegetables like cabbages. To make grating easy for you, the Usha food processor also comes with a grating blade. Simply add the coconuts into the machine and grate them. The chopping blade is ideal to chop all kinds of vegetables, from onions to leafy greens like spinach. You can also use it to mince meat. Simply add the ingredients through the feeder tube and start chopping. The blending jar is ideal for smoothies and shakes. The 1000-watt motor not only helps you make delicious milkshakes and smoothies, but will also crush the ice as well. The multi-purpose jar is perfect for grinding dry and wet ingredients. Here we are adding all the ingredients of the dosa batter into the jar to create a smooth batter. To make coconut chutney, simply add the ingredients in the chutney jar and grind. Kneading dough for chapatis or fulkas is a daily activity in many Indian households. The Usha food processor with the atta kneading blade kneads the dough within no time. Just add the ingredients into the bowl, close the lid, and add water through the tube as required. With the help of the egg whisker attachment, you can easily whisk batches of eggs or whipped cream for your desserts. A glass of fresh sweet lime juice is a great idea every morning. Simply attach the citrus juice attachment to the food processor and hold the sweet lime halves onto the machine, pressing them gently. The centrifugal juicer of the Usha food processor can extract juices of hard fruits and vegetables like apple, beetroot, and carrots as well. All the blades and accessories, including the jars, can be cleaned under running water with a mild detergent. The motor body can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions regarding the functions, controls and safety of your Usha food processor, please refer to the product manual.